How to fix the issue with computer that keeps restarting. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with device that keeps restarting. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly right click on the start menu. After that, click on device manager. And then after the window of device manager will open. From here you need to update the drivers. So firstly, we will tap on audio input and output. After that, click on the device and there you will see the option of update driver. Then after go to the speaker device and then also you will see the option of update driver. Simply click on it. After that, click on computer and there also you will see some drivers which needs to be updated. So right click on them and click on update. After that, go to display adapter. Right click on the graphic and click on update driver. Once you have updated all the driver, simply go to the start menu again and there in the search box type Windows Update. After that, enter on the Windows Update option. There you will be directed to the setting page of your device. Once you open the setting, scroll below to search for History of Windows Update. Simply click on Update History and now you need to scroll all the way down to see the option of Uninstall Update. Once you find the option, simply click on it. After you have successfully uninstalled the update of Windows, now if you have recently downloaded any application, uninstall it too. After that, you need to restart your computer and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with computer that keeps restarting. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.